From selecting the perfect Christmas tree, not this one, to winter workshops and classes, Bentley Ridge is gearing up for the holiday season, and there is something for everyone on the agenda. Juergens and Christian Kolder are here with the details. This is a fun plant, but probably not a Christmas tree.
Not a Christmas tree. That's a Monstera plant, an indoor plant, and I want to highlight the blue ribbon on there just right off the bat. We just did that yesterday. Anything with a blue ribbon in our greenhouse right now is 75% off. So you can get beautiful plants like that and get a really, really good discount on those.
That is a good deal. All right. Okay, you have a trunk or treat coming up right ahead of Halloween, and so you brought us a little demo of what we can experience there.
Yeah, we figured we'd do a couple crafts on air. If Christian's able to do them, we figured kids can do them. So we're gonna run them past that and put them on the trunk or treat event. It's kind of a play on words with trunk or treat. It's tree trunks. It's not actual cars, so we kind of have a play on words there. But yeah,
trunk or treat.
Yep. So it's going to be a fun event. You'll walk through our tree rows. There's going to be some crafts, lots of candy, of course, lots of kind of fun stuff to do. Not scary at all. We're definitely orienting it towards families and having just a fun time out there. So that's coming up this upcoming Tuesday from 4 to 6 p.m. We'll all be in costumes. The only things we're really asking are kids wear a costume if they want, and bring a joke. So that's about all we need. But
okay. Do I need a joke then to do this?
Joke is preferred to do the crafts. Yeah, we do.
Okay. Why are mummies afraid to take time off? Wow. Or why don't they take time off?
I should have wrote it down. Why?
I did write it down. Just so you say. They're afraid to unwind.
Oh, they're okay.
Good. Oh, okay.
That's a good one.
Laughter. Okay. Okay, so now that I have my joke, what do we do?
Yeah, so one of the fun events here is it's a pumpkin painting, and it's very easy. It's self-contained, so you can take it home. It's not going to make a mess, but you can start. You can grab a couple of those different paints in there, squirt a decent amount onto the pumpkin in the bag there, and hopefully that'll come out nice and well.
Christian, there's no purple paint here for you.
Sorry.
No purple beard today.
Last time Christian was on, he had a purple beard because you lost a bet, right, for your Vikings?
Yeah.
Well, for my
Vikings. For your Vikings,
yeah,
Jimmy's Vikings. So. Okay, how much paint do we put in here?
I mean, that should be good. If you want to go with one extra color in there, kind of mix it up. And then,
Jimmy, do you still have pumpkins for people to get if they need some before?
Yeah, we do. We have a lot of unique ones, kind of like the stack here, where they're the unique decorated ones are different colors and things like that. And so, not jack-o'-lantern style, but the decorative pumpkins we're pretty loaded on. So,
which is good because you can use those up to Thanksgiving.
Yes,
I feel
absolutely.
Like.
So once those are painted, you seal up the bag and you shake it, and that is all that it really takes to paint this pumpkin. Again, for our trunk or treat event, we're going to send everybody home with a bag. They can just throw it in the bag. When you get home, take it out and let it dry. Don't shake too hard, Christian.
I think we have some paper towels.
Hey,
we'll have to get you some.
Learning curve. But no, so that's
so make sure it's fully
sealed. Would be maybe we'll have the adults do that portion of it for the trunk or treat there. So no purple beard, but a blue hand. We'll make it work.
There you go.
So that is one of the events that we're doing. The second portion for the kids, and I have an example one here because I had to train mine ahead of time because I couldn't do it on air. But we're doing a terracotta pot that you can kind of decorate like a pumpkin.
I love this.
Very simple for the kids to do. We'll have annuals available to put in there if they want to put a little topper piece in there. And then we are also giving away seeds to go into that pot the next spring so that they can kind of see that plant grow and mature as well. So kind of a fun one to show kids how things grow, as well as let them use their creativity on the pot a little bit there.
Oh, that's a great idea. So that's why you have that seed packet there?
Yeah, seed packet comes with it. You can buy an annual to go with it if you want at the time of the event. There's lots of things that kind of tag along with it there.
Can I see your pot again so I can copy off? Oh, there we go. Okay, thanks. But I guess we can do it however, right? But
I modeled this one after myself. I was looking in the mirror and I think it came out pretty good.
It's a look-alike for sure.
That's what I was going for. Man, Christian's.
We'll put it on sound up.
Let's
see yours. Oh, wow, yours does look good, Christian. Okay, I'm going to color this in. Okay, so again, the trunk or treat, I should say, is Tuesday, October 29th from 4 to 6 at Bentley Ridge. Okay.
Yep. So it'll be a fun one.
You're gearing up for other fun events too this holiday season.
Yeah, so we are kind of taking a new spin on the event style stuff. And so we do have Black Friday. This will be our first Black Friday. We're officially open for it. We're going to do a 12-hour event that day. It's 8 to 8. We're giving away Christmas cactuses to the first 20 people through the door.
Oh,
and
wow.
then 2 of those people will also get a $100 Bentley Ridge gift card. So that's our Black Friday event. We're going to have Christmas trees galore. We'll have all of our gift items ready to go. It's just going to be a lot of fun out there. And then, yeah, we're hoping people come out and get ready for the Christmas spirit at that point in time.
And you're even going to have a holiday patio pod event that we can go ahead and get tickets for now.
Yes, yeah, we introduced those last week. We have 4 different events currently on our website. You're able to sign up for those. They are a ticketed event. It includes all the materials that you need to make a nice decorative patio pot. You can add on extras if you want to, but everything's included with that price. We'll provide some expert guidance on kind of how to help with that. But yeah, those tickets are going kind of quick, so if you are interested in those events for those specific days, would recommend getting on there.
Yeah, the 4th, 8th, and 11th. Okay, we need to sign up now. I love this. This is so
There you go.
cute.
And
Let's
then,
see
yeah.
Christian's with
Well,
some extra.
I kind of had paint on
It's
my
got blue
hand,
on
so.
it. How'd it get blue on
Let's
it?
get some paper towels for you. It looks
Sorry.
adorable, though. Thank you guys so much for being
You bet,
here.
you
We
bet.
appreciate it. You can learn more. Just go to BentleyRidgeTreeFarm.com or call 515-444-9101. Bentley Ridge is located in Grimes. You can also check them out on social media.